I dropped a little bit over there. I went a little low at my foot. Like I put
because I was just about to say your feet are still in the in the position, but it's cool. You just got to get used to it. You don't feel everything in these like you do in regular shoes. So yeah, you're gonna get up on the balls of those feet, and you know you're doing good. Your body position is good. I mean, think about it. It's only like your second session, so the more we do it, the better, more pronounced and defined your body positions are going to be, your movements are going to be. So you're doing good. Just those feet. Next session, whoop, and then downshift, bam, go through, whoop, whoop, and then back up shift, whoop, back up. So it's your feet are always going to be up, perched at the ready. Good job, dude.
Thank you.
Good job, dude. Now we got sliders on. It's kind of like, all right.
Yeah.
So if it goes down, we can pick it back up. And
in some turns, I kind of put my knee on the slider.
That little dude, he hanging all the way off that shit. He still got to get his feet up. I'm standing here because he's going to go wide around me, and I'm going to be able to tell him more throttle, more throttle, more throttle. Good. See, I didn't even have to say nothing. He did exactly what I wanted him to do just standing here. See, that's kind of how the kid is trained. I was going to stand here and say, give me throttle. He knew me standing here meant go wide and give throttle. That was cool as hell. Now watch how he changes his ride because I'm changing position. See how he's tight again? I know my baby so well, but he's giving more throttle through there.
Come on. All right. There you go. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Man. Ooh. Yeah. 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 My back. I feel like a knot right here.
Yeah.
When
yeah. Oh, side to side.
Yeah.
You're looking pretty good. Body position's pretty good.
I know. Like the last 2 laps. Well, after when I came around, I felt more comfortable leaning in, like came out wide in.
Yeah.
Because I overthought it.
That's why I stood there, so you can go wide around me.
Yeah.
And pick up throttle before, and you did that. I was gonna yell at you, throttle, but you did it. That was
I overthought that other time though when I came across, because I didn't. I
know. Because I was giving you a hand signal. Yeah. You were trying to figure out what the hand signal actually was.
Then I feel more comfortable coming on the downshift and then guiding it through.
Yeah, just quit letting the clutch out so quickly, and you'll be fine. All right, I'm about to jump on the ride. I'll check you out in a second.
Are you alive?
Yeah. So end of the day, Jalen's been putting in really good lap times. I shouldn't say times, we haven't timed shit. That's not what this day's about. He's been putting in really good laps though. Very, very consistent type of riding. I told him it's about doing the same thing every lap. This is the reason right here that we don't tuck in really tight on the curb, but we can still get good lean. As Jalen shows, he gets pretty good lean angle, which I wasn't too hyped about at first, but he's going fast. He's going faster. As he grows as a rider and doing this, obviously I'm going to tell him to put his knee out. He keeps it tucked, and I understand that tuck. I have the same fear because I used to ride streets so much. My leg tucked was like my only thought process. Look at his body positioning though. I told him be careful on the last lap. He's starting to give it too much sauce. But last lap is always, you know what I mean, it's that time. But he's working on body position and looking really good. He's looking so good. I can't say how impressed I am with the kid because it's just his first time out. If he keeps doing this, I'm going to be very impressed. I mean, I'm very happy he's doing what he's doing right now. But if we keep having good, successful missions like this, Lord have mercy. Look at the kid's lean angle, yo. Like he doesn't have fear because he hasn't slammed yet. And I'm not putting that on my baby. I'm just saying what the real fact of motorcycling is. Yeah, that kid.
You'll notice there will be some guys that'll trust their tires.
Yeah.
If you trust your tires, you can't negotiate with your tires. You have to you're letting them have control over the car. When you have tires like this and you're moving around a little bit, you're talking to the tires. Like you're putting the tire on tires, giving you feedback. When you have really sticky tires on here, most riders won't ever feel that. So if you can feel that, and if you can feel the front end, then when you get all of your fundamentals together, you'll push a pair of sticky tires like that. Now they're gonna force back at you harder, but you'll still remember that one time. That's basically what this all comes down to, this type of track and stuff, because you get little nuances and stuff. And when you get to a big track, you don't get those. But what you can do is, since you have a lot of experience here, you can push the bike to get the nuances on the bigger track, and then you're like, oh, I got this. While the other guy was like, how did you do that? Well, I went slow to go fast.